I'm Jennifer Kerr-Marsch with Mangrove Bay Design, and I'm myowndesigner.com. What I want to share with you today is just a little preview information about our new webinar that we're launching. It's going to be Design Principles, and it's made up of the elements of design that all us designers work from. What you want to do is go to I'mMyOwnDesigner.com, and what we've done is we've also created a couple of freebies for you that will get you started on your design project. If you are coming up to doing an interior or renovation or addition, or even if you're moving into wanting to do a new construction plan, and you know what you like, but you're not quite sure how to articulate it or verbalize it, or really pull together that whole big design concept. It can be really overwhelming. We really want to help you with that. When you have the time and maybe not so much the money, and generally most people don't have both at the same time. Most of my clients have one or the other. So we really want to try and help everyone we can and give you as much information to help you reduce the overwhelm and be able to work within the budget that you have in mind, as well as get you more informed about the process and what you're going to need to create the best project that you possibly can. So with the principles of design, our first webinar that we're releasing in a series of basically lots of how-tos, and this one is the one that is an inherent thing that you will want to do first. You're going to want a better understanding of what it is that makes that space better, that makes you see a space that really works for you. So the principles, again, go through a series of elements that all designers work from. We sort of check these things off in our minds when we walk into a room or when we're creating a concept for you. You will, when you go to the I'mMyOwnDesigner.com page, the first freebie that you want to look at is the programming guide or client profile. This is a list of questions that we use as designers to get an idea from you on how to create your best space. It's really our first communication tool to get you to open up and think about what you really want from your space, what your hopes are, your goals as far as use of space, who's going to be using them, and we talk about budget. The other freebie that you're going to get that we've put together for you is the 5 steps on how to organize your design project. This is a terrific one. This is really going to get a little more in depth about the whole process of how putting together this project goes. I really think it's important that you take a look at that as well. So once you've read those or gone through those webinars, then I really want you to consider taking the principles of design. This is the first step in really understanding. I mean, yeah, you can pick a pretty floor and you can pick a pretty color, but how are you going to know for sure that it's going to work together? This webinar, the principles of design, are going to explain to you how to make those choices better. I've been a creative all my life. I have always gone for the aesthetic. So interior design to me was a super easy thing to fall into. I have a degree in interior design, and I've worked in the commercial realm as well as now have my own residential firm. We are a small firm, but we do the entire process, all the way from creating new construction floor plans and construction documents, all the way to helping the owner. We collaborate with our homeowners, working with them to choose materials, finishes, lighting fixtures, plumbing fixtures, everything. as well as working with the contractors and tradesmen. And these are things you need to consider when you're working towards your project. So absolutely take a look at I'mMyOwnDesigner.com. Also on our website, mangrovebaydesign.com, look for the Design School tab at the top and you'll find the same page. And please feel free to give us a call or email us with any questions you might have. Thank you so much for taking the time, and we look forward to working with you, and we hope you really enjoy the freebies that we've created for you, and also that you get a better understanding of the inherent things that you need to understand in the principles of design. Again, I'm Jennifer with Mangrove Bay Design. I'm the principal designer and artist, and have a wonderful day. Thank you so much.